Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we've got Thanos, the 5th gen Dodge Cummins, looking to take that title of the highest horsepower Dodge here at Point Blank Performance. It's got its work cut out for it, but have faith. Now, we always talk about fuel. We always talk about air. Awesome. What's in between? Because we can't melt this truck down. Coolant. We got to have that. His build does have our radiator pipe on there. Awesome. We need that. Coolant tank, so for you guys running a single turbo kit or a compound kit, you might need that on your build. But one thing you have to have, and it's for certain, coolant riser upgrade. What the hell is that? That is a device, a little CNC Billet part we make here in-house that allow you to get coolant from your firewall down to the coolant tank and then route it down to the coolant riser upgrade. What the hell is that? Show me the install. Cool, let's jump in the fender well. Super simple. 4th and 5th gen guys, the first thing that we need to do is locate your lower coolant hose that comes out of your firewall. Yes, I reuse a factory hose. Now on the website, we're going to ask you, do you have a factory tank or do you have the PBP upgraded tank like Thanos? Either which way, install is still the same. And we're going to send you out with some 5/8 heater hose so we can route all of our lines. Out of Thanos' tank, we have the 5/8 hose coming down. You see this plastic T that's in between? All right, we need to get our coolant hose here, put the factory line here, and then route the existing hose all the way over. If you have the factory tank, no big deal. Take our silicone adapter, the big end, push it up on the factory tank, put the T in the bottom, and now push the rest of the hose all the way over here. Now we get back over here to the lower radiator hose. This is a -10 Vibrant push-on 90. Put your hose on top of it after you cut it to length. Now we're down to the last step. The coolant riser upgrade, this guy right here, make for sure you keep that factory bolt that came out of the coolant riser, put that bolt through here, put it in the block, spin the 90 onto it. Guys, you built your build just like I did Thanos. Thanos has got big air, big fuel. Our coolant is now done. We're ready to go to battle with the Mustang Dyno. Make for sure you guys like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see what our C4 HP package on this 5th gen Dodge Cummins is all about.